get like obviously a super wide perspective. You got, some of the market leaders. I saw Steve Sims there. I saw my man Josh Nelson putting out some awesome stuff too.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like, some of the best, most common uses you're seeing for Go high level, where people are really using, in your opinion anyways, the software intelligently to succeed. I'd love to hear some thoughts just on like some of the forward
Yeah,
thinking
absolutely.
stuff.
So we have this thing called the Fast Five. And we put it together exactly for the same reason. So it's literally like all the automated stuff that's super easy to do. That's like very very hands off. So like missed call text back, web chat widget on the website, putting the two-way texting phone number. And then being able to make it so the missed call text back, and then the calendar booking. Some of these really simple concepts where if you put them in place, it's amazing. There's existing lead flow, like you said, and the database reactivations are part of this as well. I also personally will see who really makes hay of this, but we just launched affiliate management software. But affiliate management software makes sense like on the online marketing world. But
Mm-hmm.
in the terms of a small local business, you can make it referral software, and you can actually help small businesses take their existing customer bases, create offers for them, have them shoot it out to their existing customers, who can send it to their friends, who can then actually make money for the business and refer the business at the same
Yeah.
time. So there's a lot of referral potential. But all I'm saying, but that's a little advanced. But all the other stuff before that, think missed call text back, web chat widget, huge value right there. And again, very automated, very simple to get going. Not a lot of hand holding, not a lot of setup, not a lot of creation. All that stuff. No Facebook ads, all that.
Yeah, and I think I've just what I'm getting the sense from you as well is I think most agency owners focused on the hardest money first.
Oh
Often
wait,
like
I
like
okay. So this is my byline on marketing agencies, right? I love all of you because you kill yourself for your clients, but I also hate all of you for the exact same reason, because you don't quite realize that ROI positive does not mean the most amazing idea you've ever thought of that's super custom and super this and super that. And remember, every business that scales does so in a way where the product they sell ultimately can be stamped out and sold to many people. Now, it doesn't mean you can't do more. It just means that baseline item has to be very repetitious, and if not, you're a custom creator. And custom creators, the only custom creators who ever make any money, charge insane amounts
yeah,
of money, and
yeah,
so therefore they're talking to the top 5% of their industry. And if that's not you, you need to get out of the custom business, and you need to get into the repetitive business, because
yeah,
that creates scalability. And
yeah.
all of us buy scalable things every day. Every car you've ever bought, you're not the only one who drives that car, right? So it's a very scalable, productized business, and that's what we're missing in the marketing world today. And this is what we need to change.
I'm gonna give a shameless plug to my book here because I wrote about that
Hey,
exact topic here, because I call this idea custom versus customization, and I could not agree with you more, Shaun. Is when we first get into the game, we always think that our clients want these big custom solutions. In reality, they really just want the results of what you've created.
bingo.
And when you realize
Yes.
that, you focus on doing things once that you can be paid for twice, three times, four times. And if you're not doing that, what happens, as you described, the only real way to make any money is like you said, where you have really high margins on custom work and they're big kind of custom jobs. Otherwise, what happens, I see this all the time, where people are trying to find this elusive media buyer who doesn't really exist, who's for $1,400 a month is just going to crush their campaigns. And their problem is really not that. It's a structure, as you said, is every job has to be custom, and therefore they always have to like train. It's very different than if this is a task you do like 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a row. It's very easy to train somebody that's like very repetitious on that. So I couldn't agree
Ah,
with you more.